Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am making some of the recipes from the Simply Earth October recipe box. Okay, I am going to make all but I think one of these recipes. If you are not familiar, this is the recipe box. You get 4 essential oils and recipes in here each month sent to your home. It's $45. I have a code that gives you $45 back after you purchase your first or subscribe. And it's a really good deal. You also get a free big bonus box, which comes with all of the other stuff that you'll need. I have mine kind of just in some bins here, so I'll pull from there, but most of that has come from boxes previously. First recipe I'll make is the Home Remedy Diffuser Blend. You get a recipe to make another blend, so in total you'll have 5 essential oils basically, and they come with stickers. So I have a label. This is an empty bottle, and then here are my labels, so I'm going to throw that on first. Home Remedy. This will be a bunch of drops of the oils that came in the box. 25 drops of Relief. And I unboxed this and shared this whole box in a separate video, so if you want to go back and watch that first, if you haven't seen that already, it probably would be helpful. So you're going to put 25 Relief, 25 Copaiba, and 50 drops of bergamot. And you're not going to dilute this like a roller, essential oil roller, because this is a diffuser blend. Yeah, 25 Copaiba, however you want to pronounce it. This is a really good essential oil for blends. This one is a thicker oil. Let's see how we do first. Oh, I'm good. 50 of bergamot. Bergamot is a really good fall essential oil, citrus essential oil. This empty bottle came in my big bonus box, and it comes with a brand new lid. So you're going to screw it on until it clicks on. It'll put your little topper in as well. You could hear that. And then crack it back open, and then your lid will be in like that, and hopefully you can see. So now you have an essential oil blend called Home Remedy. Oh, it smells really good too. Next, we're gonna make a roller. It's called Mover Soother Roll-On. This is Cajuput, Relief, Bergamot, and then fractionated coconut oil in a roller bottle. So you're going to want an empty one of these, which also comes in your big bonus. It comes with a roller top and then a screw-on lid. And then you're just going to put your oils in first, and then fill it with your fractionated coconut oil. Actually, I'm going to put the label on first. Mover Soother. 3 drops of this one, and 2 drops of bergamot. I have a little funnel, so let's just do it. Whoops. So you put your tiny little funnel in the top. Just squeeze to fill to the top. Once everything is in there, you just give it a little twirl or shake, and this is really going to be good and supportive for when your muscles are sore, any kind of soreness. They also have little stickers, little circle stickers up here for the tops. So the Mover Soother Roll-On one, put that on the top, so you're storing in a drawer or something, and then these all have, excuse me, different top stickers. A recipe for a comfort compress, which would also be helpful for sore muscles, whatever you have going on. But I'm not going to make that one today. This did come in the box though to make that one. So it's just kind of like a reusable cloth to use as a compress. Not going to do that one. I don't think I'm going to do the foot soak either, but that one is just coconut oil, your oils that it calls for, and then Epsom salt, mix it all together, and then add some to your bath when you are sore. Well, actually foot soak too, so add it to like a little foot bath. We will make the Muscle Tamer Massage Bar and the Sports Relief Lotion. The lotion, well, it came with this, and I think we are just going to put some Copaiba in there. Oh, and bergamot. So 1 drop Copaiba, 1 drop bergamot, and that's it. This one's super easy. Then I believe Copaiba is very like anti-inflammatory and supportive in that way, but make sure you go do your own research too on that. That is, from my understanding, that is true. And then I don't know if I have anything to stir with. just gonna use the end of this. So just wanna stir it all together and make sure it's evenly distributed into your lotion. Just a plain lotion base. I've gotten this before in one of the kits to make a different type of lotion, and it's great. Really hydrating. Oh, this smells really, really good. Okay, so we have lotion. Roll on the diffuser blend. Now we're gonna make this. It is a muscle tamer massage bar. So this is a little mold that came in the box, and we're gonna melt up a couple of different ingredients and make a little massage bar. So we'll need almond oil, coconut oil, beeswax, which all come in your big bonus. Beeswax, almond oil. Ooh, okay. And fractionated. And then 30 drops relief, 15 cajeput, and 15 copaiba. Oh, so this is gonna be a potent little bar. Okay, so 1 tablespoon almond oil, 2 of, the solid coconut oil. Okay, 2 tablespoons of the beeswax. Okay, now that everything is in here, I'm gonna go pop it in the microwave in intervals and melt it all together. I actually transferred it into this because it will be easier to pour, but it's cooling off now, so I'm gonna add the oils. We need 30 relief, 15 copaiba, and 15 cajeput. I'm gonna give it another stir. Okay, here is the mold. It filled almost the whole mold. I'm gonna wait for it to cool all the way and pop it out and show you guys. So here's the bar once it was fully cooled. I popped it out of the mold and immediately some of the knobs came off. As I used the bar, some of the knobs came off as well. So the knobs were kind of pointless, but this blend did work to soothe my sore muscles. Thank you guys so much for watching this video to the end. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something. I hope you subscribe to Simply Earth. I know you guys will love it. Hope you have a great day. Until the next one, bye.